Hello friends, good news! I would like to tell you that I partner with Pluralsight, that is an American online education company that offers a variety of video training courses for software developers, IT administrators, and creative professionals throughout its website. It partners with subject matter experts to deliver the best quality on the list of over 7,000 courses in his catalog. So far, I already published 3 sessions in the IT operation topic. Specifically, they call IT Ops session. There is one session called Using ansible-sign and Verify, about half an hour, published in December 2022, where you can learn how to use the ansible-sign command line utility to sign and verify using a GPG signature our Ansible project. Moreover, there is an event-driven Ansible published on March 23 about how to learn how to get started with event-driven Ansible and Ansible Rulebook. The latest session is the one. This one is about 22 minutes. Latest session is published in August 2023, and this is about Ansible Generative AI with Lightspeed, Google Bard, and ChatGPT. It's 34 minutes, published in August 2023, and you will learn how to apply artificial intelligence to speed up our productivity and save time during our Ansible development. We are understanding the state-of-the-art of artificial intelligence for Ansible code creation and infrastructure automation. So proud to partner with them, and take a look if you are already a member of the platform. Bye! Let's automate more!